Hello kids, let's draw butterfly. First start with eyes. Another eyes. It's very easy to draw. And now draw mouth. Face. Make a circle. So easy. Now draw butterfly beautiful wings. And this is body part. So easy. Draw with me. Make some design and pattern on wings. Do you like butterfly? I like butterfly so much. And draw some pattern. So make this butterfly very cute and colorful. Now make some heart. So cute. Let's color. Red color. And also color the wing with red. So easy. Do you like coloring? I like coloring so much. Color the face with bright yellow. Wow! Look the butterfly. So cute. Now color the body part of this butterfly. So cute. Purple color. Another side. Green color. So beautiful. Sky blue color. So many color. This butterfly is very cute and colorful. I like colorful butterfly. Now add pink color. Both side. Wow! This butterfly is very cute. And look its wings. So colorful. Color the heart with pink.
Wow, like and subscribe.